Now it's time for you to learn about defect logging. This is also referred to as raising a defect or bug. Defects can be recorded on bespoke defect logging tools, but on smaller projects with not too many defects to manage, they can just as easily be logged in Excel. The test manager will have already decided on the type of defect logging tool to use as part of the test strategy. These are just a few of the available products on the open market. There are too many to list, but don't worry, you will only be using one of them, and they are easy to operate. It's good practice to add lots of detail in a defect description. It will avoid them being rejected because developers don't have the right level of information. So don't be that guy. Imagine being a developer who receives a defect with a vague description. For example, the channels are populated when they shouldn't be. This is a poor description and it misses some key information, and it fails to mention that this is a new customer. This vague statement misses the sequence of events that led to the defect, so it can be repeated. It's also worth informing the fix team that the defect did not stop you from progressing the order. It just means the order takes a little longer to complete. Knowing this is not a showstopper can help in setting the priority of any fix. So what information should a defect contain? Let's take a look. You can now see a list of information commonly required to raise a software defect. The title or summary is a concise description of the issue. It should allow you to identify the issue when looking at a list containing multiple defects. The description contains the full detail or story of the defect you encountered. As stated in this lesson, it should not miss any detail that helps the fix team to identify the issue. You can help the fix team by including the steps to reproduce the defect. This should be a clear step-by-step instruction to help navigate to the screen where the defect was seen. This will help developers to understand the context in which the problem occurred. Make sure you document the details about the test environment, including the browser, so the fix can be applied to the right place. Logging the software version helps the development team to apply any software change on the right version of the code. We have identified the software version as Order Management 2.1. Provide your assessment of the severity and priority of the issue based on its impact on usability, functionality, or other factors. For example, where Priority 1 is critical. 0.3 and Priority 4 is a cosmetic or a minor issue. We have chosen Priority 3 for this issue because there is a workaround. The assignee is required to track your defect. This indicates who should be responsible for addressing the issue. For example, a specific developer or team. Finally, we log the date the defect was raised so we can track how long it takes to fix it. Additionally, visual evidence such as screenshots or screen recordings can help developers understand the problem more easily. That's all it takes. You have logged the defect and now it's sitting with the development team for a fix. In the next lesson, you will see how the fix gets reapplied to the order management application so you can retest it. I'll see you there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.